Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right rear orifice holder in your gas cooktop, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the gas supply. Carefully lift off all 3 grates. Remove all 5 burner caps and the burner bases. Remove all of the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pull them off of the valve stems. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the top. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to help unthread the nut, securing the gas supply tube to the right rear orifice holder. Next, slide out the retainer to release the spark electrode from the holder. Now use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the support bracket. You can now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the old orifice holder to the bracket. If installing the new orifice holder on a cooktop using liquid propane, you will need to transfer the orifice from the old holder to the new one. Otherwise, align the new orifice and holder on the bracket and secure it with the screws. Position the assembly on the base, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Position the spark electrode in the holder and secure it with the retainer. Insert the gas supply tube into the holder and tighten the nut. Realign the main top on the base so the spark electrodes protrude through the holes in the top. Confirm that the orifice holders are aligned, then thread and tighten the screws to secure the holders to the main top. Replace the control knobs by aligning them on the valve stems and pushing them into place. Align each burner base with the appropriate orifice holder so the igniter electrode protrudes through the hole in the base. Next, position the burner caps on the bases. Align the 3 burner grates on the support brackets and gently lower them. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your gas cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.